Hi everyone, welcome back to the Puttering Penman. Today I'm going to do a quick overview of Tomoe River paper, particularly the A4 loose sheets. And the one that I have is in the cream color. So I've used Tomoe River off and on for a couple of years now. At first I wasn't really a huge fan, but over time I've grown to really like this paper. This paper is 52 grams per square meter, which is a very light paper, very thin. Rhodia is 80 grams per square meter. Clairefontaine is 90 grams per square meter. This paper is almost feels like tissue paper, which is very nice. It's very light. I have a example of the paper here. I did some writing on it, and you can see it's cream color. This one comes in blank, in blank, no lines on it. When I write, I typically put a line sheet behind it, and you can see it because the paper is so light. I'll show you. If you look at the back side, you can actually see the writing through the other side. Some people don't like that, in which case Tomoe River paper is probably not for you. Some people, don't mind it. At first, I didn't like that quality of it, but now I actually do. Just because if you have a blank sheet of paper and you put any lined sheet of paper behind it, you can use those lines to write on it. And then in the end, I think you get this, pretty nice looking blank page with writing on it. And so that's one of the reasons why I like this paper. Also, this paper is extremely thin, sort of feels like tissue paper, which again was something I didn't like at first, but I've actually grown to like it. So that's the paper. The paper in general, it's very good for sheening inks. You can get a lot of shading on it because the ink really tends to sit on the page a little bit while it dries. The dry times here are not, they're not super long. This is Pilot Black ink from a Pilot medium nib, and the ink doesn't take more than 15 seconds to dry. It'll dry fast enough that after I'm done writing, I don't need to worry about having the page sit anymore to dry. The words have already dried, and I can just fold up the page or put it aside. So that's the paper. Let's talk about the actual packaging. So it's sealed up nicely. This actually just comes in the plastic, and these are actually just loose sheets. It's not a notepad. Here's the cover page, and on the back they have this sort of cardboard page, which is thicker just to hold its form. And so one of the nice things about this is that the way that they've packaged it in the plastic, the sticky part it's not on the flap here, so you can actually take all the pages out and then put them back in easily without it worrying about sticking. One thing to note about this paper is that because it's so thin and light, the pages will get some crinkles on it. I think you can see that. There's a crinkle there, there's a crinkle there, and that's true on pretty much most of the pages in this packet. Before you even get it, there will be some crinkles in there. Again, if that bothers you, Tomoe River paper might not be for you, but I think it's definitely worth a try if you're new to fountain pens, just to see it, because it is so different from many other papers that are good for fountain pens. Tomoe River paper comes in, a bunch of different sizes, A4, A5. I think they also have B6 and other sizes. It comes in this cream color. It also comes in a white or ivory color, which is more of a traditional white color. Definitely worth a try. A lot of the major fountain pen retailers will sell it. You can get it online. You can probably find it. If there is a fountain pen store near you, or maybe a stationery store, you might be able to find it there, but definitely online you can find it at Goulet Pens, Jet Pens, Amazon, and all of those stores. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.